Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Left 4 Dead 2 error, dynamic link library error, for example. And here, so when you try to play the app not run, or you have problem with Steam, try to verify your game via Steam. If you purchase this game via Steam, you can simply open your Steam library and try to verify the data. And also you can try to if you don't like install from Steam or from other source, you can try access your games. For example, here the Dragon Age. So you have to find the bin folder or bin folder and copy all the bin data. You can Control A, copy copy the data, then you can pass on this installer folder. So you have to bring the bin inside the bin folder data to the outside or to the installer here. After that, you can relaunch the executed files. Then I hope this solution can help your error. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.